Hi guys, I'm going to be making 6 recipes that require 5 minutes or less of prep time. These are the recipes that I love when I need to get a good dinner onto the table and I don't have a lot of time to prep it. So these are really great. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my easy recipes with you. Let's get into these 6 5 minutes or less prep recipes. This is one of my favorite quick dinners to put together. I have this package of Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to add some mustard down on the bottom, just a little bit of Dijon mustard, and spread it out nice and evenly. I have some deli ham, so use your favorite kind of ham on this one, and I'm just gonna layer this down. So these are some ham and cheese little sliders on Hawaiian rolls, and I just absolutely love these. Adding a layer of cheddar cheese. I'm gonna top back on with the buns, and then I like to make some melted butter. I have a tablespoon of melted butter. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder to this, give it a little bit of a mix, and then I like to brush this on top of these little buns. You can also add on some sesame seeds as a nice little garnishment on top of these as well, which I love to do that. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. These don't take long to cook at all, about 12 to 15 minutes, and they are all set. So just throw this together in less than 5 minutes, pop it in the oven, and you have a really yummy dinner ready to go really quick. These are a huge hit. Serve a little side salad, and these are so great and very kid-friendly as well. I'm going to make some sheet pan sausage. I love these little sausages. It's a smoked sausage, so I just cut it into some coin shapes, which I like. I am going to top with some frozen cheese raviolis. Use your favorite raviolis. I have a sweet potato that I just cut up into some little squares. You can use a veggie chopper for that if you want, which makes it really easy. So now I'm going to top all of this with olive oil. I'm just going to drizzle olive oil all over it. I'm gonna add some salt as well, add some pepper also, and this is so simple to put it all on the sheet pan. I'm gonna pop it into the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes until the sweet potatoes are cooked, and then these raviolis are gonna be great as well. Such a quick dinner to get into the oven, and it is so good. This one is a huge hit for our family. My kids love this little sausage, so I love adding it in tons of different recipes. So quick and easy. I'm going to be making a meatball pasta casserole. I have frozen meatballs, so use your favorite kind of frozen meatballs. I have some protein pasta. Use your favorite kind of pasta on this one. I'm using the whole box, and I've been really into different protein pastas lately. This one's really good. I have a jar of no sugar added spaghetti sauce, and once again on this one, add your favorite spaghetti sauce. So whichever one you like best. I have a cup of water that I'm just going to pour into this jar here so I can get all the rest of this sauce out, but you want some water as well to help cook these noodles. So top with some water. I'll give this a stir to just mix it all together. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So this is so easy to just add to your baking dish really quick, 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna top with some mozzarella cheese. And then once I have this topped with about a cup of mozzarella cheese, I'm gonna put some foil on top of this. And then I will bake it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then that will cook these noodles, and it'll be such a great dinner. My family loves anything with meatballs, and they're just really easy. Frozen meatballs are so easy to work with, so I just absolutely love them. So here it is. The noodles are cooked so great, and this was so easy to put together. So serve this with a side salad, some garlic bread if you want. Very quick and easy dinner to get onto the table for your family for those busy nights. I'm going to do another sheet pan meal because they are just really easy to throw together, and I just love them. This one is going to have shrimp, which we are huge shrimp fans. I really do need to cook with shrimp more often because we just really love it, and it's so good for you also, high protein. So this is a large shrimp, and they are peeled and deveined, but they do have the tails on. I have a zucchini and a squash cut up into some small pieces. I have a yellow onion. I cut up about a quarter of the yellow onion into some little cubes. I have a sweet potato cut up as well, and I like to use a veggie chopper for that and makes it really quick and easy. I'm gonna spray all this with some olive oil spray, give it a little toss, mix it around, and I'm gonna add on all of my other seasonings as well. I have some chili powder for this, and my oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees as well. I have some paprika also. I'm adding in some garlic powder. So I'm just topping all of this with the seasonings, about a teaspoon of each seasoning. Give this a toss with my tongs. Bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes. So good, such a quick and easy dinner and super healthy. I have some rotisserie chicken, which makes putting together so many recipes so much quicker. So I have 2 cups of egg noodles. I have some frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots. This is going to be, I call this a chicken noodle soup casserole. I have a cup of corn, and then I'm going to make kind of the sauce for this casserole. Really easy to put together. I have a cup of milk. I am going to use some cream of chicken soup as well. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to do 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. So I like to mix it up doing 1 of each. You can do 2 cans of cream of chicken or 2 of cream of mushroom, whichever you prefer. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder as well. Add in some salt also. I'm going to whisk this together, and then I'm going to add this really, really yummy sauce on top of my noodles and my rotisserie chicken and veggies. So this is really, really great. I'm going to just kind of mix it around a bit. I'm going to add some foil to the top of this. It's really going to help make these noodles cook into this casserole dish. So I just love just dumping all this in. Look how awesome this is. I cooked it for 35 to 40 minutes at 350. Awesome, quick dinner to get to the table. I hope that you loved these 6 recipes that take 5 minutes or less to prepare and get going. So I love sharing these with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.